If you're planning to buy Don by genuine new Inline, stop scrolling right now. This Don by genuine new Inline is proving to be the best investment you can make. Everyone is talking about it lately. The engineering behind it is brilliant. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it works better than anything else in the market, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not low-key want to miss out on this deal before it's completely gone. If you're planning to buy Don by genuine new Inline, stop scrolling right now. This Don by genuine new Inline is proving to